is my stay for tonight. Yes. And the reason why I'm in Amritsar is to visit Kartarpur Sahib Corridor. So it's early morning. I've reached early morning here, and I'll just check in. And then after that, I'm taking a cab to go to Kartarpur Sahib Corridor. So I've already started from Amritsar, and I think it should take around 1.5 hours to reach Dera Baba Nanak, from where I'll have to proceed towards the immigration. And as you can see out, it's all bright and sunny today. Hopefully it won't rain here, and I guess there'll be no much rush there at the corridor. So I'll have to see. Once I reach there, I'll come to know about it. So I'll keep you updated on that once I reach the immigration sector. Okay, so this is very important for you all to know. As apart from the 2 required documents, you need to also have a valid 72 hours RT-PCR test. If you have not done, then close to the immigration center, there is this primary health center available where you can get the RT-PCR done within 15 minutes and you're through. Yes, so now I have all 3 documents. The ETA passport and the much required RT-PCR test report. So as you can see behind, this is the first point, entrance point at the Dera Baba Nanak immigration center. So I have to wait until they finish with the earlier car, and then they would check my documents and let me enter in. Yes, and this cute little fellow here, his name is Golu. Hello Golu. You see a lot of Indian Army personnel behind me taking selfies, photograph. That's because this is their last point. They cannot enter in as they belong to Indian Army. You saw me taking a dose, so that's a polio dose which is required to enter in Pakistan, because Pakistan is still not free of polio dose. So I did RT-PCR, and I also had to take polio dose. So what, I got the stem and I can enter in. So this is it. I was so excited for this. You can see welcome to Pakistan board. So I am standing right at the border. This is India, and there, that is Pakistan. So I have done the registration, and here I am. I have to enter this building, and I have to take the bus to Gurudwara. Okay, this is very important for you all to know that inside Pakistan, they don't allow you to transact with Indian rupees. So that is legally not allowed. So you need to exchange and get the Pakistani rupees if you want to shop anything there. And this is the bus which I was waiting for. This bus will take me to Kartarpur Sahib. This is the Gurudwara. This is my card, and I'm here in Pakistan. See you soon. So this structure, what you see behind me, this is where Guru Nanak Sahib Samadhi is. And this corridor, what you see, if you go towards this, then you reach Narowal Sahib. So let's go to Narowal Sahib. So guys, I just took the darshan of the Samadhi and it was so divine, so peaceful. Now I'm walking towards the Langar Hall. This is the Langar Hall. So let me just enjoy the Langar here. So I just had my Langar, I had my Prasad. I got a very good darshan today. And now I'm going to the market. Let's see what I can buy from the market. Let's go. So after bearing all this heat the whole day, this is what I bought. This is Lahori Kulfi, which will make me cool. So here I am once again, mango juice in my hand, made in Pakistan, landed in India back safely and in one place. See you again with next video. Until then, Jai Hind.